इंडेक्स सीक तभी होगा when we have the desired indexes. आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग इंडेक्स सीक के बारे में बात करेंगे. To understand this particular index seek, let's understand with an example. Okay, so I have a table called employees table, and in this particular employees table I have already created a cluster index. If I press Alt F1, here you could see that I have an index on employee ID. Let's write a query to understand this particular index seek. Okay, select employee ID from employees where hire date is equal to this. We already have indexes of employee ID. Okay, so हम लोगों के पास already index तो है. To check whether it is doing scanning or seeking, you need to first include your actual execution plan. So I have already included my actual execution plan, and if I try to run it, now we got this particular execution plan तो हमें मिल गया. Here you could see that my query is performing index scan. Why? We have already index on employee ID. Why it is doing so? It is doing so because ये scanning और seeking आपका डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या प्रेडिकेट दे रहे हो, लाइक आप क्या फिल्टर दे रहे हो और आप क्या कॉलम सेलेक्ट करना चाहते हो. ओके, it depends on these two things. So let's create an index on hire date. So let's create a none clustered index. Create none clustered index on employees, and we have to give the index name. That will be cix underscore hire date. Let's name this, and I am using this particular column name called hire underscore date. So I'm creating a none clustered index on hire date पे मैंने none clustered index create किया. Now let's try to rerun this particular query and check. So if I try to rerun this particular query and check, here you could see that I am getting the execution plan and my index scan is changed to index seek. Okay, हमेशा याद रखिएगा इंडेक्स सीक तभी होगा when we have the desired indexes. अगर हमारे पास desired indexes रहेगा and if we try to retrieve data based on those indexes, our query will always perform index seek. It will not go, or if we do not have any of the indexes, it will perform a table scan, or if we have some indexes on a table and we do not have the desired index, it will perform index scan. So these are few things which is related to table scan, index scan and index seek.